Number 32. Solve the equation and check for extraneous solutions. So we need to solve and then also check our answer. So we have 4 times the absolute value of 2 minus 5x equals 2x plus 4. So first thing I'm going to do, we need to get that x by itself. There's x's on both sides. This one's the messier side, so let's start simplifying here first. So let's divide everything by 4. So you get the absolute value of 2 minus 5x equals 2 divided by 4 is 1/2. When you're solving, you can leave it like 1/2. If it's easier for you to use decimals, you can do 0.5, whatever you prefer. 4 over 4 is 1. Now from here, I need to get rid of these absolute value symbols, so I'm going to write 2 separate equations, positive, and then the negative, but it's the negative of all of this. Okay, so that needs to simplify to 2 minus 5x equals negative 0.5x minus 1, which we can solve. Let's add 5x. So we have 2 equals 4.5x minus 1, and then add 1. And then divide by 4.5. At any point, you can use the graphing calculator to help you with the fractions or the decimals. 3 divided by 4.5. Let's change that back to a fraction. Because that's how your answers are given. So 0.67 is the correct answer, but you have to round that. So the more exact way to write it is 2/3. And you can go from fractions to decimals, right, by pushing the math button. Okay, now let's solve this one. So we'll do 1 divided by 5.5. Let's change that to a fraction. Okay, so I have my 2 answers now, but you're not done. The directions told you to check. So if you want full credit, you need to check. So to check, I'm going to go back to my original equation. So we've got 4 times 2 minus 5 times 2 over 11. I want to know if that equals 2 times 2 over 11 plus 4. So is that correct? So we'll do 4 times the absolute value of 2 minus 5 times 2 over 11. And does that equal 2 times 2 over 11 plus 4? Yes. So this is an acceptable solution. I'm going to do the same thing again, but this time we are substituting the 2 over 3, 2/3. So we have, and you can, solve as you go too. 5 times 2/3. 2 minus that answer. Take the absolute value of that answer and then times by 4. Okay, and then we'll see if that equals the other side. And it does. So they asked you to check both answers, and it looks like in this case, both are acceptable.